Here's the next question, number 49. Consider a linear time invariant system. X dot is equal to Ax with initial condition x of 0 at t is equal to 0. Suppose alpha and beta are eigenvectors of 2 by 2 matrix A corresponding to distinct eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively. Then the response x of t of the system due to initial condition x of 0 is equal to alpha is... Okay, so we have our four options A, B, C, D. Now since the options are in terms of e power lambda t, that should give us a clue of how we have to form our 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so the first step, let's note down what's given to us. We have been given the system is x dot is equal to Ax. So that's our first step. Next we have the initial condition at x of 0 at the time t is equal to 0. Now the question asks us to find out the response for the initial condition of x of 0 is equal to lambda. Now when x of 0 is equal to alpha, if x of 0 is equal to alpha, this gives us an initial condition of alpha 0. This is in terms of matrix form. Okay. So if the eigenvalues are lambda 1 and lambda 2, that tells us that our expression for phi of t, now this is our 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, phi of t is our 2 by 2 matrix. Can consider this to be A. Okay, A which is in terms of phi of t, since the parameter is t. This would be e power. Now this corresponds to an identity matrix. So only our diagonal of the matrix will have elements while the rest would be 0. This is 0, this is 0. So here we have e power lambda 1t and here we have e power lambda 2t. This is because of the two eigenvalues that we have here, lambda 1 and lambda 2, corresponding to the diagonal elements of the matrix. Now the response x of t, now this is important. The response x of t in terms of the initial condition can be written as x of t is equal to phi of t into the initial condition x of 0. Now this is very important. This is the standard expression where the response can be written in terms of x of t, phi of t times x of 0. Okay. Now, x of t is what we are supposed to find. Phi of t is what we have, 2 by 2 matrix, which is e power lambda 1t, 0, 0, e power lambda 2t into x of 0, which is our initial condition and written in matrix form, that will be alpha 0. Now if we multiply both of these matrices, we get e lambda 1t times alpha plus 0. And the second element would be 0. That's about it. And if we were to write this as a single expression, then x of t is equal to only this element here, which is e power lambda 1t into alpha, finally written as alpha times e power lambda 1t. So this is our final expression or the response of the time invariant system. And this option matches the very first one, A. So here is our final answer. I hope this has helped.